Hi, today in front of me we are Y16 and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first we should open the albums or gallery application, and now we can see here our photo. Just select the photo, click on the right upper corner to these three dots and click to hide. After that we'll find our photos in album settings in the hidden section. So just now click here to hide, and here we can see in photo section the settings option. Click here, tap to hidden, and now we can see this photo in this folder. Just to unhide the photos from here, select it, click to this eye icon, crossed eye icon, and tap to unhide. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.